Brian, Spontaneous Creations here. What I got in front of you is some 3D printed creations. These are for paint pouring, of course. What I got is a new star. This is a 12-petal star, and I've got it to where the paint can flow in to the center, hopefully to create a nicer center. Most of my toys are flat bottom, and I got this one to work out pretty good. It's kind of a cool design, and if you wanted to, you could even pour on it this way and have it come out. Wasn't designed that way, that was an afterthought. Okay, that's that one. And then I have these little funnel toys, and pour in there and it comes out here, out the center. And what I have is a 6-petal, an 8-petal, and a 10-petal toy. Those are all the pedal toys that I've got right now. But this little creation I got, this is a flipper. It's very basic design. To do with this, got a stick that you put in here, and what you do is you actually take this and attach it to the bottom of your spinner, and you put your stick in there, attach it there with some double-sided tape, holds really well. And then what you got is a flipper. Spin it. You spin it. Spin it. Slow it down without having to touch your canvas, so you're not rubbing these sides, you're not catching it and flicking it off. Just spins. You stick your finger out there, you can stop it. Anyway, so these are on my Etsy shop now. These I have not put in my Etsy shop because I really have no idea how much to charge for one of these. I don't think I'll sell very many of them because I can't. The shipping is the problem. Shipping costs too much. But anyway, I'm going to do a painting. I am going to use the 12-petal toy that I have here on a 12x12 canvas. So first off, I need gloves. And I suppose I can tell you what colors I'm using. Using a white base. Using purple raspberry, it's Pirage Posse paint. Nate's Stormy Weather, another Pirage Posse paint. Lemon Lime, another Pirage Posse paint. And Orange Marmalade, another Pirage Posse paint. And then I got some light green, of course. Gotta have the green in there. So I'm going to do a white base first. Got my white here, it's titanium white.